In this video, I'll show you how to add a shipping address to a PayPal invoice. First, sign into your PayPal business account. Once you're logged in, click Invoices in the left side menu and either create a new invoice or open an existing draft. Next, add your customer by selecting an existing contact or entering a new email address. After that, add the products or services you want to include on the invoice. Now, scroll to the customer details or shipping section. Enable the option to include a shipping address if it isn't already turned on. Then, enter your customer's shipping address or allow the customer to provide it when they receive the invoice, depending on your invoice settings. Once you've finished, review the invoice to make sure the shipping address appears correctly. Then, click Send to email the invoice to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a shipping address to a PayPal invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.